Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gokujyun. Welcome to the self-care family. It's been a hot minute since I came on here to review another skincare, but hey, we are here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. The family is really growing and I want to say hi to all my new subscribers. I love you guys for always hitting the subscribe button. And to my returning subscriber, grab a snack. We have a juicy product. So, if you can see these two products, you'll be wondering, something is not right. Something is not right. So this is the Hadalabo lotion. This is my old bottle. I haven't reviewed it. I don't think any of you have seen me use this product on camera, but hey, I have used it and I repurchased it. And when I was repurchasing it, I was like, wow, hold on, something is not right here. Light yellow, more sunset yellow. The lens, something is cooking and we need to check what is in the pot. So this is the Hadalabo premium lotion. If you're wondering if it's a normal moisturizer, no, it's not. This is a Japanese brand and they call their serum lotion. And it's a very hydrating toner. I haven't applied anything on my face yet, so you guys will be looking at me apply this product on my face. But first of all, let's talk about like the difference between these two. Now, this is a hyaluronic acid toner that helps in boosting hydration on your skin, pulling out water to your skin surface to avoid dryness. And you know when your face is dry, it makes your face produce excessive level of oil. It also helps in skin barrier support and repair and overall hydration in general. So this contains 7 different types of hyaluronic acid, so the brand said. However, because I'm not a chemist or a dermatologist or an esthetician, most of this hyaluronic acid that they are calling, the sister does not know what that means. However, I know he said it has 7 different types of hyaluronic acid. And the last time I used it, I did like it. I didn't gravitate towards it again because I wanted to try out other products. However, boom, this is a new one. And allegedly, the brand said this one now contains 8 different types of hyaluronic acid, meaning they added an additional type of hyaluronic acid to endeavor that everybody is getting the tea. It is not just for oily skin to hydrate your skin. It is not just for combo skin to hydrate your skin. It is also for super dry skin types to also hydrate their skin. And I'm really here for it. So let's quickly check the texture. So you can see that it has a runny texture, but it is kind of thick and it's like slimy and hold on. It's slimy. Why is it not showing on camera? I don't know. So it's kind of slimy and is very like see-through, transparent when it comes to like how does it look like. Is that the right English? So I'm going to pull my hair behind. Although I'm sweaty because the sun, the heat in this country is no joke. I'm going to pull my hair behind and I'm going to be applying one on this part of my face and I'll be showing you the difference with each part of my face. I'm done applying this, so I'll just let the fan help me absorb this into my skin. And honestly, this is the part of my face that does not have the hyaluronic acid. However, this is the part of my face that do have the hyaluronic acid. And this is already looking alive. It's not sticky. it doesn't stick, like it's not gripping. That's the right word. It's not gripping. So it's not gripping. As it's drying, it's really absorbing into the skin. Quickly apply this on this part of my face, and then I'll show you guys the overall look of my skin. You can see on my face that this looks really nice. You can apply it at any time and every time, morning, afternoon, night. It is very hydrating. You can apply it anytime. You can pair it up with any product because it's hyaluronic acid. It can work with any single active, every single active. It can work with retinol, benzoyl peroxide, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, hydroquinone, vitamin C, NAS. It can work with every single ingredient. So don't be scared to actually pair this product with any single thing. It works with every single product. It is suitable for dry skin, oily skin, combo skin. It is suitable for light skin, dark skin, pale skin, whatever skin color you have. It is suitable for your skin color. It is suitable for acne prone girlies. If you have sensitive skin, it is suitable for you. I got this product at kbeautybar_kd on Instagram. Is a vendor that sells mostly Korean skincare brands, and it retails for probably 15,000. I'm not sure. I can't remember because it's been a while I got it. It took a little minute before it got delivered to me, but hey, it's here. So, but I think it's between the range of like 11,000 to 15,000. That's how much I got this particular product. It has 170 ml, so it's a decent amount of product that will last for you for at least 2 months, depending on your usage. And because this has like a quite thick consistency, a little actually goes a long way. So please do not overuse it because it is supposedly a hyaluronic acid toner or a hydrating toner. So you feel like, oh, let me hydrate my skin. Remember, overhydration of skin is really bad. So this is my honest take on the Hadalabo premium lotion. If you have further questions, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll definitely be reading it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.